Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned. A good deal. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, third row seating, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2018 Highlander. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, privacy glass. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, rear AC, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control, trip computer. Come see the car for yourself.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used Program. It's the smart choice.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.